What's happening, everyone? It's your boy Abdurrahim. We are back again today with another great and amazing tech video. Well, the video of today is all about the Baseus earbuds. Now this is another one. I understand we rolled out the last one, which you saw, the open one, which it was really amazing, but today we're having something different. So enough of me talking, let's get started. Whoa, there we go, nice throw there. So as you can see, this is the Baseus E17. This is an E17, which is something which is so amazing about this kind of earbuds is just that it has an incredible bass, just like Soundcore A20, which we checked out last time. It's just somewhere there because this is a more budget friendly. Right now we're gonna be just unboxing this kind of bad boy and see what's so goody about it inside, what's so specific, what are the goodies and stuff like that. So enough of me talking, let's get started throughout our video. So as you can see, we're unpacking the E17 from Baseus. Whoa, nice. What do we have here? Okay, nothing else left on the box. So first thing first, you're greeted with your kickstart guide, which is really amazing, and it has stickers too. You can see these are the stickers, which is something which is so cool. So let me keep it aside first. USB Type-C, which is really great, and YAD, which this is something which I wanted it so many times compared to the buds which I have. Extra tips throughout the buds for interchanging depending on you which one you prefer mostly. Our bad boy, dang, it feels really smaller, like really small, like in size, like you can just hide it somewhere. Just check it out. So let us just unpack it and see what's goody throughout here. I like the way they kept it. The form factor is actually not quite different than the Soundcore which we revealed last time. I like the color combination. So to be honest, I really adore Baseus, the way they keep up with their tech. And through here, this is our buds. As you can see, the form factor looks a little bit like it's plastic. Obviously, do not expect something premium because this is a budget range earbuds, but the sound wise, that's what we want mostly. So we're gonna just release these kind of tapes because we don't need them, these ones, because we want it to interact with the case. As you can see, just keep it aside and return them back because these kind of bad boys have a lot of juicy throughout them, but as you can see right now they're on, so it's really kind of cool, to be honest. And I think this one do not use any application. You don't need an app to control them. It's just like plug and play. So let us just check it out. So as you can see, it's totally different than the M2S. M2S has a really nice touch compared to the E17 which we have. So it's quite different throughout here, just to have a little bit of heads up to understand which in which it's better. But I think to my own kind of aspect, all of them, they're good, but depends on you what you really prefer, mostly on your budget side. This one offers ANC and this one offers ENC for environmental noise cancelling throughout the calls only, but it does not have ANC, so do not expect anything throughout there. This one, M2S, it's kind of vibrant M2S. I really like it. The form factor, really cool. This has been my day-to-day basis. Right now we're gonna be testing this kind of bad boy, so as we can pair it and we hear the sound, how much it's picking up, because that's the most core thing about the E17. Now let me just keep them in my ears. Okay, the form factor ergonomic is actually not bad at all, to be honest. Looks good. It reminds me of Oraimo earbuds which we reviewed past month. Okay, it's in the pairing mode right now. Close. Whoa! To be honest, it's really punchy. The E17, it's really punchy. This is so amazing. Like, to be honest, the Baseus E17, it's like going throughout the Soundcore kind of era of earbuds, which it's really amazing. It's really impressive for how the price range and all of that. We are getting something a little bit different right now. It's like back in the days, compare the smartphones with the way they were, the high ends, they were the high ends, and mid-range, they were really mid-range. But right now, you can see the mid-range, they're trying to be high-end and giving you something much better at a certain prices basis. So this is just the same scenario as the earbuds from Baseus. Such an incredible, to be honest, E17 is really remarkable. The only thing I understand, it's missing out like return back on buds and it plays. Those kind of features which on the high end or the M2S which I showed you, it has, this kind of bad boy does not have. The only thing, when you wear them, they feel tense, like really tense, like you're not hearing anything outside. It's just your earbuds, which is insane. Now let's talk about the specification right now. Baseus Bowie E17 true wireless Bluetooth earphones. Well, it has a dual mic ENC and a punchy bass. The punchy bass, it's really amazing and it's such an incredible thing. It has a 6 hours of listening time, which is actually not bad. It's really there. And it has a 24 hours huge battery, which if you keep your buds throughout the case, it gives you much extra time for you to listen. It has a dual mic for ENC. Let's say you're outside and you wanna talk through the phone. Well, it has an incredible ENC. It has a crystal clear call, which is really amazing, and the Bluetooth version is version 5.3 throughout this kind of bad boy. Throughout it comes with the lanyard, which is really amazing for your comfort of securing it, which it's coming really in handy. On the comfortability, it has a comfortable fit and it's a secure fit, which is really amazing. It comes throughout black and white color, and it's good too for playing games. Let's say you're playing a game, you can hear very nice and amazing, and it's such an incredible thing. So yeah. So guys, to be honest, the Baseus E17 is such an amazing and incredible earbuds from Baseus. Usually Baseus comes up with some incredible kind of designs, and even the way the form factor they're making, it's really unique. Their ports really surprise me, and the way they keep them with the branding, it's such an incredible. I understand this kind of earbud has its own kind of pros, which is a punchy mighty bass, which is great. It has a clear crystal clear voicing. I hope I pronounced it perfectly. And another kind of stuff throughout it lasts for 6 hours. On the con side, it's plastic. It looks a little bit like, do not expect it to look much better in terms of capability of looking. How can I keep it? Capability of looking. I understand you might be saying it's like a rhyme or something, but the quality wise, it's actually budget, but the sound what you're getting is actually impressive. It surprised me for the way this kind of bad boy has the punchy bass, and the sound is actually decent. You can play with it through your gaming, and you can even consume it throughout your normal usage, which is something which is so amazing. So for certain buds like this, which you just want it throughout flexing and enjoying sometimes, it's such an amazing thing. So let me know in the comments down below if the Baseus E17 captured you through a different perspective from the scale of 10 to 0. This kind of bad boy, from the category of budget buds, this scores 9 out of 10, which is really amazing. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. And I wanted to do homeboy here, like, okay, you know what? Yeah, I get you. Subscribe to your homeboy here. I really appreciate that. And last but not least, I'm gonna be seeing you guys on the next tech video. And a lot of you guys, you're new here to the channel, you're not sub. Come on guys, let us just hit at least 10k before the year ends. I understand we're gonna be doing a lot of buds month, yeah, just stay tuned for that. So I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one, and peace.